Welcome back. The relentless Sushant investigation continues on Times Now. In the last 7 days, we've told you about 5 incriminating details about the drug cartel. 5 stings on Times Now that are telltale and that tell you about the larger and organized drug syndicate which is active in B-Town. Why are we saying it? Because for the first time, the agencies have been able to nail the Riya Chakrabarti, Souvik Chakrabarti drug cartel link. The agency, the Narcotics Control Bureau, has for the first time recovered the deleted messages between Souvik Chakrabarti and the drug peddlers. And who are we talking about? Abbas, Zaid Vilatra, Basit Parihar, Malhotra, Bollywood link there, Kapil Zaveri, Fayaz Ahmed, Chinku Pathan and Farooq Batata. These are only some names, viewers, but sources are telling us that during the interrogation, more names will come out and this drug angle is the principal focus of the agencies. Let me open this up. Mumbai Bureau Chief Kajal Iyer joining us, Wajiullah also with us. Kajal, big names being talked about. Arunil also joins the broadcast and Zaid Vilatra's father has said, Arunil, I want to bring you in on this. Zaid Vilatra's father has told Siddhant Mishra that one Mr. Karan is involved in this. He is a big man. His words, not mine.
Well, this is a significant development. Zaid Vilatra is in the custody of the Narcotics Bureau, and Pranesh, as and when the interrogation with these small kingpins in the Bollywood drug mafia, it has been happening at present, we can expect some big names to also come up over here. Zaid Vilatra's father saying that this certain person also being the main kingpin with respect to the Bollywood drug mafia angle. Imtiaz Khatri was also named by the lawyer of Shruti Modi. So we can soon expect a massive crackdown being initiated by the Narcotics Bureau, and some influential people from Bollywood as well, some actors from Bollywood, some big producers, directors from Bollywood who basically sourced and procured these drugs from the drug peddlers. Their names will also tumble out anytime soon. That's what we can expect, and we can also expect some political names to be also revealed by the Narcotics Bureau.
All right, not just film names, also political links and names we are talking about, Kajal.
Yes, of course, there are several names that might crop up in this particular investigation because remember, these are people who are possibly giving it to the elite set here in Mumbai, and that could be from all walks of life, and so it is going to be very, very significant, the kind of names that could crop up from this investigation. Of course, a sustained interrogation of those arrested and the ones that they name and eventually to be questioned or arrested as may be could reveal the designs of this cartel in the Maximum City.
Stay with us. Viewers, the reason why we are saying that the Times Now drug disclosure has changed the course of the investigation is because more and more names are tumbling out every day. Look at this. The supplier's father, he's revealed incriminating details. Times Now decoding the drug nexus. This man has told Times Now on candid camera there are bigger names involved. Vilatra's father admits to link with peddler Abbas. Now Abbas is at the tip of the drug supply chain, allegedly involved with bigger Bollywood names. Let's go to the next revelation. Abbas named my son Zaid to frame him for drugs. He also says that when the agency sleuths came, they searched the house and they took away some things. Revelation number 3. There are big names involved in the drug nexus. Another insider telling us that yes, all this is part of an organized syndicate. There are bigger names, and Vilatra's father on camera accepts Zaid's link to Souvik. Souvik Chakrabarti has been evasive, hasn't been cooperating with the agencies, but his lies and his drug link has been nailed. Manish, our viewer, is joining us from Pune. Sir, good afternoon. Please go ahead.
There's no questions in my mind now, but there's just a comment from my side.
Sure. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
Yeah. So I mean, we started this, the entire campaign started with the actual, to understand the actual fact what Sushant went through. And just look at where we are ending. I mean, Bollywood is all over the world and it's all over place right now. It starts with nepotism, it moves on to murder, and now it's into drugs. I mean, it's totally the image that we carried all about Bollywood and people being superheroes and they being inspirations to one's life, that's completely getting tossed up now. You know, so it's an absolute bizarre to see something like Bollywood in such a state. And and somebody, I'm actually doubting, did Sushant know more?
And I can promise you, Mr. Manish, that there are bigger names, and Times Now will tell you about them as and when we have the names. Vinod is joining us from Mumbai. Sir, good afternoon. Go ahead.
Yeah, good afternoon. I was just watching the TV between 1:15 and 1:30 in Times Now, English version. And you had reported that there is the Mumbai police is also being linked and criminal cases against Mumbai police. Now suddenly you have removed all that against Mumbai police. What is it?
Sir, we have been reporting about the botch-up, the cover-up by the Mumbai police. That is under the lens of the CBI and other federal agencies which are now investigating this. And we are being told that senior Mumbai police officials will also be summoned and quizzed at some stage. Thank you. Thank you for sharing your views. MB Rao joining us on the line. Mr. Rao, please go ahead.
Yeah, Pranesh, thanks a lot for giving me this opportunity. Times Now has been doing a very wonderful job. See, you said that a lot of skeletons will tumble. What I feel, and possibly almost all the Indians feel, is with the help of Times Now, let all the skeletons tumble out. Let it be a complete clean operation, so that once for all we get rid of this muck, this rot which has rotten the entire Bollywood or whatever it is. That is
absolutely. Let the truth come out. That is what the people want. That is what we are striving for. Mr. MB Rao, thank you for sharing your views with us. A short break now. Lots more lined up on Times Now. Please stay with us.